Hey everyone, welcome back to Go Kick Me, your favorite crowdfunding news and reviews channel here on YouTube. So today we're going to talk about another Indiegogo project. This is called the 3-coil world's smallest folding knife and multi-tool. The Puna and Crane knife are tiny in size, big on features. Check out our other razor sharp EDC tools. So 3-coil is, I guess, the company name. We are a London-based fashion and product design studio. We pride ourselves on attention to detail, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so let's just look at the products video. Again, I normally always do like tech projects, but when I see something cool, especially design things, I always try to cover them too. So here's one that I would call actually design if you guys watch. If it plays, it doesn't play. There we go. We make tiny knives. Yes, you do. So that's the Crane. And let's see the Puna. So what do you get the gun enthusiast who has everything? You get him a... It's actually pretty cool. It's like a little toy gun that's actually a multi-tool. And it has replaceable razor blade, exacto-knife type blade. And it's more than that because your muzzle suppressor is actually a micro screwdriver. Well, that's actually pretty handy. And your clip can become a Phillips screwdriver. Ooh, and it comes in a little case too. So yeah, basically it comes apart and it's actually the blade here in the, I guess what is it? It goes into the stock. It folds into the stock. This is kind of a lockable cover, blade cover, and then there's, I guess, different clips for different types of blades. I guess that's a flat and a Phillips, and then you have a little micro screwdriver here in your little muzzle suppressor, which goes in the handle, and you can fit extra blades in this case. So I actually, when I saw the knife thing, I'm like, I don't need to cut things that much, and carrying around a knife with you is kind of sketchy, but I really, really, really like this one specifically. I mean, these are cool too, but this one specifically. So when I was in traveling, when was it? 2 months ago, I was in Japan, and my baby kept grabbing my glasses off my face and sort of yanking them around. And my little micro screw here started coming loose. And because I'm not at home, I don't have access to my little screwdriver tools. So I was like, what the hell can I do to fix this, right? Do I have to go out and buy a new set of screwdrivers just so I don't have to deal with loose glasses for the next couple of weeks? So I actually ended up going into a hardware store and finding a micro screwdriver that was still like with a tag and everything, and the little thing to hang it on, still attached. And when no one was looking, I tightened my glasses and put it back. Just because I didn't want to spend money to buy another one that you can't take on the plane with you anyway. So I was just like, okay, fine. I'll just sneak in and use it. But if I had something like this, I actually wouldn't be too bad because I could just keep it in my bag and sort of have something available for these kinds of cases, right? And they actually show, like some other uses. Oh, it's also a bottle opener.
Hi, I'm Johnny, and this is North. We've taken a lot of time
These
to
are the
expedite
guys.
the knives. We find them so handy, not just using them in a studio, but also in our day-to-day lives too.
I don't know personally if I'm going to be carving up strawberries with my little
We
exacto
hope you
knife.
like using them as much as we do.
So please back or share our product, and we look forward to seeing how you use yours.
That's cool. Yeah, so 268,000 pounds. What is that? That's like $400,000 or something like that. Pretty good, well over their limit. So this one is an in-demand product, as you can imagine. I actually kind of like the little case too. That's actually pretty nice. Just, when you're not going to carry it around with you, have it so it doesn't get lost. Actually very reasonable. So let's go down. They have the prices in dollars here. Also because the stock has a little hole, you can actually clip it on things too. That's actually pretty cool. And then I guess, yeah, this is when you have the knife part out. It's just, this is your sort of holder, and I guess that's clip on. I was like, what? The clip is on. What are you talking about? They meant like it's snapped on and off. And if you have the muzzle suppressor, it actually sort of fits in your hand a little bit better too. And the cool thing also is that that screwdriver can be used to remove the blades. So they actually mention One of the things I always worry about in these cases is like if I'm at the airport and I have this thing in my pocket, am I going to get put in airport jail or whatever? So in this case, they actually talk about that, and the fact that it has a disposable blade. So these are standardized, whatever, X-Acto blade size 11s or whatever. You can actually just take it off and throw the blade away. Hopefully, wrap it in a piece of paper or something so it doesn't stab people. But you can actually dispose of this and not throw away the whole knife, which is actually pretty cool. So you could just replace it with a new one. And then apparently even for this one, it's also replaceable, removable. So this is like the world's smallest folding knife, scalpel, whatever. This one's maybe a little bit too small. I would be worried about cutting my own fingers with it. But then again, once in a while you need to cut something. If you had it with you, kind of be nice. So let's go down to the prices. Here we are. Okay, so for the crane, I guess it looks like an origami. Yeah, $19 with one extra blade. You get two for $36. Save $1, $2, whatever. Yada yada yada. Here we go to the nice one. So 34 pounds, $46. Well, that's actually not too bad. You get both together. Only 21 pounds for just this guy. $29. So that's actually not too bad. I mean, there's not much to it, but think of it as like a designer item, and hopefully built to last so that you don't have to keep buying a lot of them. And it only comes with one extra blade. It'd be nice if it came with extra blades, but yeah, you can get multiple of them. So yeah, $29, not so bad. You're helping support design and whatnot. So yeah, I guess, do they have any other things? I guess it's all the same. So yeah, you can either get the crane or the Puna. I think the Puna is actually pretty cool, and I might actually get this one myself. If I do, I will do a review when it arrives. Okay, so that's it for today. That's it for the Puna and the crane. Forget about the crane. The Puna is all about the Puna. From 3Coil. These guys are based in London, as you can tell. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Any other updates? I think they could be a little bit better on the replies. Anything updates-wise? Yeah, they've updated every couple of weeks or whatever. Oh, they made a black case too. Okay. So, yeah, pretty good. Oh, little design change. What did they change? They moved the pin, that's all. No big deal. Yeah. So, thumbs up for the... 2 thumbs up for this one. I think it looks actually pretty cool. For the 3Coil. If you guys would like me to review any other projects, please send me a message or leave a comment. If you think I got anything wrong with this, if you have any ideas on other stuff to cover, of course leave a comment or send me a message on Twitter at GoKickMe and Facebook at GoKickMe, and see you guys next time.